guys, welcome back to the channel. Can you say hi, mister? He's so fascinated with the camera. I almost said with the channel. Aria, that's not going with us. Nope. What are you doing? Okay, mom hack. These are cold. I just pulled them out of the refrigerator. I always bring an apple juice and fruit snacks, both Mott's, because we love Mott's, don't we? We love Mott's a lot. These I find don't stick to her teeth as much. That goes in there. Oh, I always have this too. You guys want to see a full like what's in my diaper bag? Although this is not a diaper bag, but it definitely works and it's more stylish than any diaper bag that I have. Let me know. I'll have like a voting poll up here, or maybe it's up here, or you could just tell me in the comments below.
Stumbling out of bed and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
Okay, we're grabbing lunch real quick, but as we were walking out of the grocery store, Aria was watching them stock like the little games, and the guy just handed that to her. I thought that was so cute. What is his name? His name is Bird. What is it? Can you turn it around and show mommy? It's from like Super Mario. I think it's cute. It's like a bomb thing. I don't know. So we're home now. It may sound different. I don't know where my audio mic is at. It pops off all the time. I don't think I dropped it because I noticed it before we went to the grocery store and I checked around the car and I didn't see it. So it's either in the car or in the house somewhere. Stop. No, I don't want them. Go wipe it on toilet paper. She keeps passing me boogers and I think that's disgusting. This is the thing where it's like people hate the term girl mom and boy mom because like girls are supposed to be sweet. No, my girl will pass me boogers and like do gross stuff that boys are supposed to do. It doesn't matter. Toddlers are toddlers. That's a toddler mom. That's what it is. But we are going to show you a quick grocery haul. So I did go to Winco. I spent $101. I think it was like 68 or something like that. This trip was not, it probably looks super unhealthy, you guys, but it basically was like to supplement the stuff that we already have. I haven't done any of my dinner subscription boxes in a while. I've signed up for like 3 different companies and I basically sign up when they have the deal running. So you get like discounts on the boxes. So I just got an email though because it had been so long for the Dinnerly that I used to get a long time ago. We just actually stopped liking the recipes, but I checked out the recipes this week and they're pretty cool. Like they've switched it up and they've added so many like meals and they are the cheapest, but you have to pay for shipping and that's why I stopped ordering from them because it's $9 for shipping. Sorry, that's like a really weird angle, but so Eric gets these Devours. I don't even know how much they are, but he has a lasagna Alfredo, a mac and cheese, there was a spicy Italian, a potato Angus beef. I don't even know. He just said to get these, so that's what I grabbed for him. And then for me, for like snacking, I grabbed some wheat thins. Aria has been loving, are they Laura bars? Laura bars. I don't know. These, you guys know she's a super picky eater, so I try to give her like snacks like this that are healthy for her to get those nutrients in and stuff. They're non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and dairy-free. They're fruit and nut bars. So they do have the kid version, but Winco didn't have the ones for kids. They look just like cookies, so I just tell her it's her special cookie for the day. So I'm hoping that she'll like this one. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. It was like rated the best flavor. And then he has Pop-Tarts. He likes the cherry and brown sugar. I got him some water, so I think I did 2 of each. I have the black cherry and then there's a peach one as well. And then just regular French vanilla creamer for him. I've been experimenting with my creamers, but I forget Eric's pretty basic when it comes to coffee and stuff. I've been getting these. They're cheaper than getting the ones in the jars. And then in California, we're charged for those like an extra 5 or 10 cents. So it's just a way to save some extra money. But I use these for my meatballs. And then I have zoodles. So we're going to do like zoodle meatball with that sauce. And then of course, this is my favorite Apothic. Apothic's my favorite brand for wine, like a cheap wine, but the Apothic Inferno is so good, especially this time of year because it's so like warming. I don't know if I've told you guys this, but I told Eric the first time I had it, it tastes like a campfire. If that like, just like the experience and the smell, like that's what I get when I drink that. And then these are their flavored waters. They're 98 cents or 88 cents, something like that. They're less than $1. So I got 4 of those for Eric. And he has his Rockstar Punch, which he usually takes a Rockstar and like a Pop-Tart, and that's his breakfast. Like, that's my husband. And then for me as a little treat, I got Banana Foster's So Delicious Cashew Milk. I've never tried this one before, but I like the So Delicious. All right, my family loves chips. That's what Aria snacks on, so I got her the barbecue chips, and she got some spicy Doritos. I get the family size because they honestly go through chips so fast, and it's cheaper, or the party size, because the family is like $2.50 or something like that, and then that's like $2.88 at the store. So definitely got those. And then I got the barbecue and ranch kit. Oh no, they opened. Some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day this week so you guys can see like how I use these. And then also got popcorn for me as a snack as well. Those are the jalapeno ones. I got a single avocado because I always get the bags, but these weren't ripe enough, and I want avocado that's ready. So these though, they will ripen within like a day or two. I also got some ham for me. This is the healthy ones. It's only 70 or this one's 60 calories. They did have a honey ham that was 70 calories. And then I got some cheese sticks for me. The cubes are more expensive, so I usually just get the cheese sticks and then I cut them up. I got a fruit and veggie because I'm gonna go back to doing my smoothies because I felt so good when I was doing those in the morning. This was $3.89. I also got a wine-infused salami from Hill. These are grilled as like on-the-go quick snacks. Some mixed nuts. I think that's it. And then tonight I'm just gonna do this real quick, the Bertolli's. So I've really been trying to cut back. Starbucks is way too expensive. I can't keep doing that like every day. And then I was buying the cold brews, but those are still like $9, and that only lasts me like 2 to 3 days because they're not that big. So I bought a kit. So we did our own. I just did the espresso roast, and then I ground it. It has to be like the coarse grind or for like a French press grind, and I'll show you guys like how to make it. It's so easy and it's so cost efficient. And then I got another salad kit, so Caesar salad kit, and then just some eggs. Are you hungry? Yeah, you're hungry? Okay, I'm gonna feed him, put the stuff away, and then I will show you guys how to do the cold brew in a second. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cold brew. So I got the Bodum. I'm becoming a Bodum family because I also have the Bodum like whisk as well. I got them both from Target, but this was $9.99. This is like the lid it comes with when you push it down, but this is when you first brew it, like just the storage lid to put it in your refrigerator. So in the instructions it does say to double your normal serving for every 6 ounces of filtered water. So basically you would do 4 tablespoons per 6 ounces of water. So okay, so you don't mix or anything. This is where like the brewing comes in. There's no filter. So basically what you do is you're gonna put this lid on there that has nothing. Put this in your refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. So by tomorrow morning it should be good for me to drink. I'm gonna switch the lid and put this lid on top. Make sure it's locked. It'll give you instructions, but there's little notches on here. You lock it down, and then I don't know if any of you have used a French press, but it's just the same idea. So you're gonna push it down, and so what's gonna happen is all those coffee grounds are going to push down to the bottom, and then you're just gonna have the coffee brewed on top, and you're gonna leave this in here. If you try to take it out, then the coffee grinds are gonna get into your coffee. So you wanna leave this lid on there while you're pouring until you're completely done, and then you clean it out. So you'll have coffee grounds on the bottom, but that's why you need a coarse grind for your coffee beans, because anything that's like finer than coarse is gonna seep through, and then you'll have a whole bunch of coffee beans or coffee grinds like in your water. You'll basically be drinking that, so you don't want to do that. Alright guys, you know I love my kitchen. I love this area. We're always in this area, but I have played around too long. I've been on Instagram. Baby just went down for a nap. So you want to see what I'm about to tackle? You guys think I'm joking when I'm like, my house is a mess. My house is a mess. Are you ready? What is this? I haven't even finished drinking my first coffee. This is my first cup. Haven't finished drinking it. Look at all this I need to go through. This is wasted food. This is like makes me disgusted. We don't usually waste all this food. I'll never do this again, guys. But look at this. Gross. Gross. How do I eat like this? Gross. Ugh, the only thing that's clean in my life, because I just clean it out, but this is from my forehead. Don't ask. But this is, you know, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like so far, only after a couple of hours. You guys, that looks so good. I'm so excited for that. But, I mean, yeah, there we go. So we're about to clean it up. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, Ezra woke up right when I was throwing the paper towel away, but I have my dishwasher running. I even scrubbed the sink. I use our bartender's keeper, I think is what it is. for those. I just didn't dry it out, so there's still water spots. But you guys, so much better. I also just didn't do the floors. We wait till the end of the night, but even like I did the same thing, Barkeeper's Friend on here, because I don't have the stainless steel cleaner, but it looks a lot better. And then I don't know if anyone else does it, I also cleaned like up in here. It's a really good thing because sodas and stuff, that's where the ice dispenser comes out. It'll splash up there and it gets like really, really gross. And then this gingerbread house is super cute. Eric and Aria made it. I got the kit at Walmart. It was like $9 I think, or like $8.99. And then that, you guys know, is my Rosa Vinci letterboard. I don't know why it's not upstairs, it's down here, but it fits right now because he throws food when he's angry. While brother's sleeping, do you think you can help mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh no.
No, he's crying.
He's crying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, do you think we can do it with brother?
Yeah.
I need you to help mommy pick up the toys.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
And break. All right, one, I need to stop wearing this shirt. I don't do well with crisscross shirts, guys. Two, I'm covered in spit up. Mom life. Balancing you guys on a wine glass real quick. I did say I wanted to talk a little bit about the channel and stuff. So moving forward, I mean, one, we're moving into holiday. So excited because this year we are doing Vlogmas. This is our first time doing Vlogmas. I'm really, really nervous because, yeah, we're gonna vlog for 25 days straight, and then after Christmas, you just go back to our regular routine, although I may just take a week off after doing 25 videos straight. But I do want to get back to other things. So when I first started my channel, I was doing more like motherhood lifestyle, like beauty related things. So I was doing a lot of like makeup routines, get ready with me, get unready with me. So I show you how I do like my skincare and stuff, because I do have not really a passion, but I have a love for like makeup and skincare, not really hair care. I've never really been a hair care person, although I need to be. You should see my shower and the amount of hair I lose every single day. I will still have routine videos, so like morning routines, night routines, baby routine, which I just finished that video, so his 5-month baby routine will be out, I don't know when, either before or after this video. It'll be up soon though. Oh, and then focusing on my postpartum weight loss. I'm going hard on it, guys. I know I was doing it before. I stopped because I stopped taking care of myself, but I really want the channel and the content to focus on me taking care of myself, to give you guys motivation to start putting yourselves first sometimes, because if we're on empty and we don't have the energy to take care of ourselves, we don't have the energy to take care of our family. So just like on an airplane, you have to put your mask on first before you put on your partner's mask. Same thing in your everyday life. You have to fuel your cup a little bit before you take care of your family's needs. Yeah, you tell him. But yeah, I hope this video, I don't know, did something, made you laugh, maybe gave you some motivation to get things done, checked off your list. Okay, say thanks, guys.